I'm here to tell you, the most dangerous person in the room is not the one with power, but the one with clarity. When your mind is fortified with conviction, discipline, and divine alignment, it will intimidate mediocrity, expose fear, and disturb systems that profit from your confusion. Build a mind so strong it doesn't just inspire people, it scares them. Because light always frightens darkness. A prison guard once mocked a young man in cell, blocked him for reading books instead of joining fights. That man? Nelson Mandela. They didn't know he was building a government in his head while they tried to destroy his body. That's the power of a trained mind. It's not loud, but it's lethal. So I ask you, what are you building in your mind right now? Because you are becoming it whether you like it or not. You want transformation? Then stop decorating a broken house, tear it down, rebuild it with truth, anchor it with wisdom. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. And yet most people say this and think it's about what you say to yourself occasionally. No, it's about the environment you've cultivated in your mind. It's the thought patterns you've baptized in repetition. It's the unspoken agreements you've made with fear. You've got to examine the thinking that's ruling your life. Because whether you realize it or not, your mindset is an architect, not a room. It's building something every day, habits, behaviors, expectations, and you're living inside what your mind has constructed. A person raised in lack can become a millionaire and still hoard pennies because the mind never left survival mode. A woman can escape abuse but still choose silence in a room full of injustice because the mind has normalized invisibility. Freedom isn't location, it's revelation. Until your thinking is transformed, you can be free on the outside but still chained on the inside. What good is deliverance if your mindset is still in Egypt? You don't need more money if your mind can't manage it. You don't need a bigger platform if your thoughts are allergic to pressure. Stop praying for expansion if you're not willing to renew the blueprint. Heaven doesn't respond to whining, it responds to alignment. And that alignment begins in the construction site of your thoughts. Look around you. Every revolution, every invention, every legacy started in the unseen. You want to be successful, you want to win, then stop chasing motivation and start building mental toughness. You see obstacles, I see opportunity. You see failure, I see feedback. You see rejection, I see redirection. You gotta rewire your thinking. Too many of y'all are quitting because it gets hard. You're breaking down because you hear no. You're folding because life hits you in the mouth. That's not strength, that's weakness. And weakness in your mind will create weakness in your life. But here's the good news. You can train your mind like a muscle. You feed it with the right thoughts. You stretch it with challenges. You grow it with pain. You build it with consistency. You need a made-up mind. A mind that says, I don't care what it looks like right now. I don't care if I'm tired, broke, lonely, or doubted. I don't care how long it takes. I will not quit. I will not bend. I will not break. You gotta build a mind so strong that your circumstances don't shake you. You gotta build a mind so strong that your past doesn't define you. You gotta build a mind so strong that even when you feel fear, you move forward anyway. So today, make the decision. Say it with me. I'm building a mind so strong that no matter what comes against me, I will not be moved.